Most people assume that the more expensive the bike is, the better quality. Luckily, that's not always the case. In fact, some of the cheapest cruiser motorcycles can make excellent beginner bikes. Without further ado, here are our favorite cheap cruisers for beginners. With an MSRP of just $4,699, the Honda Rebel 300 is an affordable entry-level bike that's light and fun to ride. The Rebel 300 sports a reliable and user-friendly 286 cubic centimeters engine in addition to a low seat height and slipper clutch that's great for beginner riders. The Rebel 300 is easy to ride, which makes a great choice for beginning riders or more experienced individuals looking for a sporty bike that's easy to handle. With a curb weight of around 360 pounds, the Rebel 300 might fit your needs to stand out without being the Harley-Davidson type of rider. It might help you gain much-needed experience before you go after a heavier bike. And nicely finished styling, the Meteor 350 is a great value at $4,400. The bike features a classic retro styling with full fenders, a large comfy saddle, and a bulbous gas tank. The Meteor's fuel-injected 349cc engine pumps out 20.2 peak horsepower and 20 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 5-speed transmission and chained final drive. The Meteor 350 is also equipped with exciting technology features, such as the Tripper navigation system that connects with smartphones via Bluetooth. This is a feature that is not found on many entry-level cruiser motorcycles. If you are looking for a low-cost beginner cruiser-style motorcycle with a bit more beef to it, the Suzuki Boulevard S40 can deliver. At only 381 pounds, the Suzuki Boulevard S40 provides riders with easy maneuverability in addition to a good seating position. Powering this entry-level bike is Suzuki's timeless air-cooled 652cc single-cylinder engine that's paired to a 5-speed transmission. What's even better is that the Boulevard S40 is affordably priced at $5,799, so it's great for anyone looking to get their feet wet in the cruiser world. Its classic looks with the almost chopper-style front forks increase the cruiser-style appeal of the bike. Yes, the Honda Rebel 500 is basically the same bike as the Rebel 300 except for a larger engine. However, it's a better motorcycle than its little brother, Rebel 300, as it provides more power out of its 471cc parallel twin engine and a better suspension. Also, with an MSRP of $6,400, it's not too much more expensive than the Rebel 300. These bikes handle well, have low seat height which is excellent for new riders, and give you confidence in corners or tricky traffic situations. As a new rider, you can comfortably maneuver in traffic, go on weekend ride-outs, or just zip about town. The Vulcan S is one of the best cruiser bikes money can buy. Those looking for a more futuristic-looking cruiser will like the Kawasaki Vulcan S. It has the stature of a cruising bike and silhouette of a sports bike, which is no wonder that it's referred to as a sports cruiser. It's cheap, as it starts at $7,500, but it also has plenty of power from its 650cc twin engine. What we like best about it is its adjustable ErgoFit system that allows the rider to adjust the seat, handlebar, and foot pegs to different positions. In addition, the Vulcan is a reliable motorcycle that will serve you for years. It can be a great motorcycle to grow into. As you build your skills, the Vulcan will provide more and more fun, especially in corners. There are plenty more affordable bikes that are great for beginning riders. However, the aforementioned 5 offer a lot of maneuverability, comfort, and present a great value.